Semiconductor fabrication centers, or fabs, are probably the most technologically advanced places on Earth. However, they also have the potential to be one of the most dangerous. Toxic chemicals, monstrous machines, rapid robots, and high-voltage electrical panels are just several of the many hazards that might be present in a fab cleanroom. In this course, Safety for Semiconductor Manufacturing, you will learn how to navigate those hazards, as well as how to handle and respond to different types of emergencies. You'll also explore the various safeguards that are in place in fab components and how to prevent safety-related incidents before they can become a problem. Welcome to Safety for Semiconductor Manufacturing. Know the rules, respect the hazards, go home safe.